To understand what is required in the global local activity, we'll first consider one of the displays we'll be using. In this case, the image set is of a beach. You can see the sand, and we have elements presented to us on the sand in this case. We have an array of little seashells, but they are also positioned in a way that creates a large shape at the same time. In this case, a beach ball. And this is quite important because this is something that will be happening across the different levels of difficulty for the global local activity. We will always have these little elements, in this case the seashells, but they will always form a large shape, in this case the beach ball. We call the little shapes local elements, and we call the large shape the global element, or the global shape. Across different level of difficulties in this activity, we will be required to identify the global shape, maybe ignore the global shape and focus on the local elements, and so on and so forth. Let's see level 1 now. Here is the instruction page for level 1. You can see, similarly to the search activity, sorry about that. Here is the instruction page of level 1 for the global local activity. Similarly to the search activity, here we also have a target and distractors. But this is a little bit different in the sense that the target here could be not just a shape, but whether we are looking for this shape on the global or the local dimensions. In the first level of difficulty, we are looking for a global dimension. It says global here, you can see, but also that's the shape we're after, which is the global seashell. We have spades as well, and we have beach balls, but the only one that we need to refer to is the global seashell. If it's there, we press the L key or the corresponding key on the tablet. And if it's not a global seashell or a large seashell, we press the A key, or again, the corresponding button on your tablet. We don't care what are the local elements in this case. So the local elements of the global shape could be spades, could be beach balls, that doesn't matter to us. What we're after is a large global seashell. So let's see how this works. Here we have an example of an array of local small beach balls, but they form a large seashell. And therefore, that is the target. And we say, yes, we can see the target. Another example, we still have those little local beach balls, but they form a large spade, which is not our target. So we say no. Again, the beach balls forming a large seashell. That is our target. We say yes. Same image again. Again, we would say yes. A slightly different image. Now we have small spades, but they do form a large seashell, which is still our target. So again, you see, we don't care what are the local elements here. They could be seashells, they could be beach balls. What's important is the global shape that they form. And in this case, it is the seashell, and we say yes. Again, we have beach balls forming a global seashell, so we say yes. And now we have local seashells, but they are not forming a global seashell, and therefore we need to respond here, no, the target is not present, because the large shape is a beach ball rather than a seashell. So you can see the difficulty here. Although there are seashells on the screen, we need to ignore them and respond no, because this is not a large global seashell.